Hi, this is Mrs. G. I'm just giving you a quick little tutorial on how to get to our databases for research at BCS. So you're going to start out on the home page, our district home page, which is bccs286.org. Once you are on that web page, click on Academics, and then you're going to BC Reads, and that's our library website. So here is our school library. While you're here, you might want to take a look around, see what all is on here. But to get to the databases for research, they are right here on the school library webpage. Once you get to the databases, this is a good place to start student research. News and magazines might also be helpful, but I would start here. So you can pick middle school or high school or college if you want. One of the most helpful databases I have seen kids use is Explora-Teens. And then you're going to want to type in those keywords that you identified that are the most important words in your topic. So for example, if you're wanting to find out about LGBTQ history in the United States, obviously the most important words would be LGBTQ, history, United States. So you don't need the word and so you type those in and search, and you'll come up with a bunch of articles, and you can skim through those to determine which ones are going to be helpful. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask your teacher or ask me, and we are very happy to help. Thanks. Bye.